Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing mousekeeping envelopes and for Disney, and I'm going to show you how to do them, and my mom's going to explain details about it. So let's get into it.
Alright, so Mia's going to show us how she's making the mousekeeping envelopes.
Yeah. So you could take like a marker or whatever and you write mousekeeping. I write like this. I put mousekeeping and I put thank you, and then I stick some stickers. So for example, I'm going to take this one right here. Okay. And you just stick them all here. Alright, so I finished. I put like some stickers here, Disney stickers, and yeah. Then on this side here, I just put the money inside and I sealed it with a sticker.
Alright, and also we'll just mention that, so these are our mousekeeping envelopes, and we put $5 a day. So the rule that they say is like $1 per person plus 1, so we're 3, right? And so plus 1 would be 4, but you know, we think that $5 is a good amount to give them because they work hard for us. Very nice, Mia. You want to show us the other ones that you made?
Yeah. I did these two.
Okay.
This one.
Let's see the front. No, that's the back. Show me the front. A little bit of a focus. Okay. And we say thank you. Okay, show me another one.
So I did this one.
Hold on. Very nice. We'll be staying, well, it's 8 days, 7 nights. So we're gonna leave it for seven days. We have 7 envelopes that Mia's preparing. And yeah, so we're doing that. So they'll be all ready for when we get there. And we'll leave that out for them every morning.
Alright, so here is all my envelopes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is, like I said, how I do my envelopes. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. Come join us again for some more Magically Awesome!